Hi friends, welcome to English Fada Kolkata. I am Ramit sir. Hope you are well by the bless of Almighty. Now I am going to discuss about how to use adjective phrase to enrich the language. এখন তোমাদের সামনে তুলে ধরছি কিভাবে সুন্দর সুন্দর অ্যাডজেক্টিভ ফ্রেজ ব্যবহার করে ভাষাটাকে আরো সুন্দর করা যায়। You know, English is a beautiful language and it is an international language. In every language, you need some beautiful adjective to express the language in a more beautiful way. ভাষাটাকে সুন্দর করতে গেলে আরো সুন্দর সুন্দর অ্যাডজেক্টিভ শব্দ চয়ন করতে হয়। Here I am taking some example to show you how you can use this words adjective phrase to express the language in a more beautiful way. Okay, let us come to the discussion. The bed is as soft as cotton. বিছানাটা তুলোর মতো নরম. Here it indicates that the bed is very comfortable bed. The girl looks as beautiful as a nose. As a nose. You know, roses are beautiful flowers. And when you will see a beautiful girl, the girl has been compared with the rose. মেয়েটি গোলাপের মতো সুন্দর. The man is as stupid as donkey. Donkey is a very stupid animal. গাধা হচ্ছে বোকা প্রাণী. When some students or when someone is very fool, he is called donkey. The man is as stupid as donkey. লোকটা গাধার মতো বোকা. Her face is as grave as an owl. তার মুখটা গোমড়া দেখাচ্ছে আউলের মতো অর্থাৎ পেঁচার মতো. The boy is as clever as a fox. You know, fox is a very clever animal. So, to compare the cleverness of the boy, we are using a fox. It's a very beautiful language. The boy is as clever as a fox. So, these are the most beautiful adjective phrase which you can use to enrich the language. So, if you like this video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel, English Fada Kolkata. Till then, goodbye. See you again on the next video. Thank you, everybody.